Morning student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your EVS teacher Mrs. Bhavna. Today I am going to continue your chapter 3 in your EVS book Food We Eat. What is the name of the lesson? Food We Eat. Student, I have told you why do we need food, student? I have told you, no? Why do we need food? Yes, we need food because it gives us energy to work and play. For every activity, we require food. Food gives us energy to work and play. Can you tell me some food item that help us to grow? Can you tell me the food item that us to grow? Yes, egg, milk, fish, meat, and dal help us to grow. Can anybody tell me the food item that give us energy? Food item that give us energy. Rice, chapati, butter, bread, and sugar give us energy. Food item that keep us healthy. What are the food item that keep us healthy? The food item that keep us healthy are fruits and vegetables. What are the food item that keep us healthy? Fruits and vegetable. Now tell me, from where do we get food, or what are the sources of food? From where do we get food? Yes, we get food from plants and animal. We get food from plants and animal. We get fruit, vegetable, nuts, oil and pulses from plant. We get milk, egg, honey and meat from animal. Today, children, I am going to continue this lesson. Can anybody tell me how many meals do we have in a day? How many meals do we have in a day? Yes, 3. How many meals do we have in a day? 3 meals. Can you tell me anybody their name? Yes, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have 3 big meal in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now the first one is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K break, F-A-S-T fast. B-R-E-A-K break, F-A-S-T fast. Breakfast. Can anybody tell me when do we have our breakfast? When do we have our breakfast? Yes, we have our breakfast in the morning. When do we have our breakfast? We have our breakfast in the morning. It is the first meal of the day. It gives us energy to work. We should always start the day with breakfast. Children, breakfast is the first meal of the day. When we get up in the morning, brush our teeth, have a bath, then we eat our breakfast. So it is the first meal of the day. It gives us energy to work. We should always start the day with breakfast. We should never skip our breakfast. Means we should daily have our breakfast. Children, tell me, what do you like to eat in your breakfast? What do you like to eat in your breakfast? Some children like poha, upma, sandwich, roti, burger. Yes, along with this, you should eat fruits, drink milk in your breakfast. Your breakfast should have some energy giving food so that your body get energy for the full day work. So, in the breakfast, you should include fruits, curd and milk. What should you include in your breakfast? Fruits, milk, and curd so that you get energy for the full day work. Next, after breakfast, which meal do you eat, student? Which is the second meal? Yes, it is lunch. What is the spelling of lunch? Lunch. Lunch. What is the spelling of lunch? Lunch. Lunch. Student, this is the second meal of the day. It is the second meal of the day. When do we have lunch, student? When do we have lunch? We have our lunch in the afternoon. When do we have lunch? We have lunch in the afternoon. In lunch, we should include rice, chapati, salad, curd, pulses and green vegetable. In our lunch, we should include all these food items. We should eat a healthy lunch. So, children, you should eat all the pulses and vegetables. You are not eating vegetables. You should eat all the vegetables. Now, student, can you tell me which is the third meal of the day? Which is the third meal of the day? It is dinner. What is the spelling of dinner? D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Children, this is the third meal of the day. Can you tell me when do we have our dinner? Yes, at night. When do we have our dinner? At night. Children, in the morning we take energetic food and in the lunch we are taking a healthy food. It includes rice, chapati, pulses and vegetable. But at night we should not eat the heavy meal. We should not eat heavy meal at night. Why should we not eat heavy meal? Because at night after eating we are going to sleep. So at night we should not have heavy meal. Children, along with this meal we should also need water. We should drink at least 8 glass of water in a day. At least 8 glass means you have to drink 8 glass. If you are thirsty, you can drink more than 8 glass, but not less than 8 glass. Because it helps us to digest the food we eat. Because it helps us to digest the food we eat. So children, we should eat at least 8 glass of water in a day. So these are the 3 meals, big meals in a day which we are having. So now look at this picture. They are all having their dinner and the dinner should be light. Next, there are some good eating habits which you should follow. Can you tell me what are the good habits? Yes. First one, everyone know we have to wash your hands before and after every meal. Because if we are not washing our hands, the germs, the dirt which is in our hand go inside our body along with the food we are eating. So we should wash our hands before and after every meal. Eat clean and fresh food. We should eat clean and fresh food. We should not eat the leftover food. We should always eat the clean and fresh food which is prepared by our mother at home. Eat meal at a regular time. We should eat the meal at a regular time means breakfast at 9 o'clock, lunch at 2 o'clock, 1:30 or 2 o'clock and dinner at 6 or 7 o'clock. This is the timing for having our meals. We should eat meal at a regular time. Chew your food well. We should chew our food well so that it get easily digested. Do not speak while eating. Children, we should not speak while eating, because if we speak while eating, our tongue will get stuck, cut, and we can't chew our food properly if we are speaking while eating. Next one is do not spill the food. Student, we should not waste the food because the food is very precious. So we should not spoil the food. We should take that much we want. If we need extra, we can take second time. But do not spoil the food. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Student, we should rinse our mouth after meal, because if we are eating the food item, that gets stuck in our teeth and which may harm us. So we should rinse our mouth after every meal. Do not eat uncovered food. Student, we should never eat the uncovered food, because many bacteria, houseflies are flying over that may infect us. So we should not eat the uncovered food. The next is, student, now this is the picture. Again I am repeating the good habit. What are the good habit? Wash your hand after and before meal. So you should wash your hands. Next is always eat the fresh food. Student, we should eat always the fresh food. We should eat the meal at a regular time. Next, we should chew our food properly. Next is do not spill the food. We should not waste the food. Next, we should not eat the uncovered food. Now you can see in this picture many houseflies are sitting on the food item. So we should not eat these types of food items. Students, now I will recall the chapter which I have taught you. Food gives us energy to work and play. All of you know that without food we can't live. Milk, egg, fish, meat and dal help us to grow. These are the food items that help us to grow. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. We get our food from plants and animals. Where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animal. What are the food items, children, we get from plant? We get fruit, vegetable, nuts, oil and pulses from plant. Children, can you tell me which are the food items we get from animal? Yes, we get milk, egg, honey, meat from animal. Now we eat 3 meals in a day. I have taught you now how many meals we have in a day. We have 3 meals in a day. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We should wash our hands before and after meal. All of you know that we should wash our hands before and after eating our meal. We should drink at least 8 glass of water. How much water, children, we should drink? We should drink at least 8 glass of water. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. Student, I hope you have all understood what I have taught in the previous class of this lesson and today. Student, please do reading of this lesson with the help of your parents at home. Now, thank you for the day.